Could you present you and what are you doing in the Paris.com?
Sure, I'm Bruno from Remark, and I came to talk about NFTs 2.0.
I'm Kathy. I'm the head of community for Moonbeam, who are sponsoring Paris Dot. So we also have hosting a workshop and talks here to connect with the Polkadot community.
Salut, moi c'est Romain, donc je suis ambassadeur Polkadot et ambassadeur Moonbeam et je suis là pour aider.
Alors je m'appelle Julie Benoît, je suis volontaire pour Polkadot et Kusama.
My name is Jeroen Nijkamp and I work with Momentum and I'm here today to support my colleague who's speaking about the Kusamaverse, which is the metaverse that we're making.
Salut GT, moi c'est VLD.
Ok, enchanté.
Hello everyone, I'm Zoe. I'm Global Head Ambassador for Polkadot and also lead European Growth for Fala Network.
Ça marche, je m'appelle Marin, je suis développeur des Glimmer Heights, Glimmer Jungle dans la core team du DAO et puis j'aide ici à la Paris Dot.
Hey, I'm Martin. I'm the head of ecosystem development for Star Network.
Pour tous les gens qui vont nous regarder, tu es David, l'organisateur, un des principaux organisateurs de cet événement de la Paris.com.
I'm Bob. I'm the head of community development for Zeitgeist.
My name is Claire, and I'm just exploring and learning and just being part of the ecosystem community.
Bitcoin or Polkadot?
Polkadot.
Question piège.
Polkadot.
Ah, Polkadot, sûr.
Polkadot.
Ok.
Polkadot.
Polkadot.
Ok.
Polkadot.
Polkadot.
Polkadot. Definitely Polkadot.
Alors moi je suis plutôt Polkadot.
I think in this crypto winter, I would potentially say more of a Bitcoin.
Désolé pour les bitcoiners, mais je dirais que pour l'instant, étant donné que je ne suis pas une grosse baleine, je vais me positionner sur Polkadot.
Oh. Ok, Polkadot or Kusama?
Kusama.
J'aime beaucoup Dot, mais Kusama parce que...
A little bit of both.
Kusama.
Yeah. Polkadot for institutions, Kusama for fun.
Polkadot.
Oh, that's a hard one. Polkadot?
Ouh, encore plus piège. Non, la première était pas piège, hein, ça sera Polkadot. Polkadot, Kusama. Kusama.
Kusama.
Polkadot.
Polkadot or Kusama, both.
Polkadot.
I say Kusama.
Alors je dirais Kusama.
Kusama.
Kusama à fond.
Ah, donc, Kusama.
Kusama. Kusama.
The reason?
The people's chain.
Polkadot.
Pour quelle raison?
Parce que je pense que la vraie application va se trouver sur la chaîne Polkadot et que même si l'innovation pourra rester sur Kusama, entre guillemets, la mass adoption, elle se fera sur Polkadot.
Kusama.
The reason?
The culture, the people, and the experimental type of activities that are going on.
The chaos?
Yeah, the chaos, exactly.
Okay.
Polkadot?
The reason?
I see a lot of activity going there. I love Kusama too because it's experimental, but I think I love that community building, but also interesting use cases with XCM are probably evolutionating a little bit more in Polkadot. Yeah.
Ok.
Kusama.
Pour quelle raison?
Le chaos.
Polkadot.
Pour quelle raison?
C'est pas parce que c'est par Polkadot que j'ai connu l'écosystème. À l'origine, en fait, quand le projet est né, la marque principale était Polkadot. On parlait nettement moins de Kusama. Maintenant, c'est pas une question de choix entre les deux chaînes. C'est seulement que ma première connexion finalement avec ce projet merveilleux a été faite sous l'appellation Polkadot. Raison pour laquelle j'ai choisi Polkadot.
Kusama.
Pour quelle raison?
Je vais dire tout simplement parce que je préfère l'avancée Kusama, c'est beaucoup plus rapide et beaucoup plus innovant que Polkadot.
Okay. Your favorite project, your favorite private chain?
Remark.
Okay. Reason?
Has left Ethereum behind technologically by a few generations.
Okay, nice.
Fala Network.
The reason?
Because I work with them. No, I mean, I love the tech. It's like decentralized computation cloud. I really love the use case for it, that it's really applicable, like, you know, for any Web2 use case as well. And I love Fala World that we are building on top.
Moi, j'aime beaucoup Moonbeam, pour le coup.
Can I say Moonbeam?
You can say Moonbeam, sure. The reason of Moonbeam?
Because I think Moonbeam is a great team that never stops building. We're working very hard with XCM, and we're also focusing on bringing new use cases that will leverage the power of interoperability in Polkadot. So we're connecting different chains like Ethereum, Polkadot, Moonbeam without needing bridges, with cross-chain communication. So that's something that I think is unique in the Web3 space. Moonbeam is doing it, and it's a hard work team that never stops building.
Remark.
Could you explain?
The way that Remark is doing their NFTs is the way that can only be done on Polkadot. And this will truly show as a pure use case what Polkadot can bring to the blockchain in general that not is possible anywhere else, like Ethereum or Polygon. I think that Remark is like a perfect example, it's a use case of what Substrate can bring to you.
Astar.
Pour quelle raison?
Parce que je bosse chez Astar.
Favorite parachain? I have to say my own, Zeitgeist, quick runner-up, probably Akala.
Okay, the reason for Akala?
Yeah, it's just knowing the team and knowing their approach towards the ecosystem. They very much align with the idea of bringing the ecosystem together, and that's the basis of Polkadot.sama.
Ooh.
You can tell 2 or 3 projects as you want.
Yeah, in no particular order. I really like Astar, of course, and Robonomics.
Oh, really nice. You're the first.
Okay.
Could you tell more about Robonomics?
Well, I'm really interested in just the general application of IoT and stuff like that, and I really like their approach for bringing it into Web3 and using Polkadot to enable it.
Ok.
Astar.
Dis-moi les raisons.
Déjà je suis ambassadeur et parce que j'aime beaucoup la vision de Sota de vouloir participer au Web3 et de créer un espace pour les développeurs pour qu'ils puissent construire sur WASM et EVM tout en les incentivant avec le dApp staking. Et donc Astar directement.
Alors Crust en premier, BitCountry, Astar.
Thank you very much. A little word for ending this interview?
Go to singular.app and buy the world's most advanced NFTs and mint some and enjoy.
Thank you very much, Bruno.
My pleasure.
I really love Paris. I didn't love it like yesterday because of the heat, but I love it in general because I love the people. I love as well on Sunday when Tour de France comes into Paris. It's like the biggest event that it is for me as a cyclist. So I love Paris. I love France in general. So. I just want to thank the organization of this event as well, because I know how much work it gets into getting things done. And it's great that we also got the support of this event, got the support from Parity Treasury. I know it's a hassle to get the Treasury funds, but I know there will be improvements coming from Polkadot as well. I love on Parity, so happy to be here and hope to get to the next event as well. So thank you.
I'm actually really enjoying the Paris.com convention. The start of people really coming together as teams and being able to sit down and to discuss broader subjects with each other is something that I look forward to in the future, and I'm very glad that it's starting here, and more recently,
All in Polkadot.
Thank you very much, Zoe.
Sure. Thank you so much for the interview. Thank you so much, guys, for helping hosting this event that is fantastic. I think it's a great way of connecting with our community, and hopefully we can have more of these with also new people coming to know about Polkadot, because I think this event should be for that, for spreading the word about Polkadot and the parachains to new use members, new members, that don't know about us.
Exactly. Thank you very much, Katie, and have a good event.
Thank you so much.
It's cool, and how do you enjoy Paris?
Oh yeah, of course. I think it's a great city. I love Paris. I love the history here, and it's for me, I'm an amateur historian as well, so it's really special to be here in Paris discussing the future when we're surrounded by the past.
Okay, really interesting point of view. A little word for ending this interview?
Let's fucking go.
Amusez-vous les amis, et surtout merci à tous nos volontaires qui sont partout autour. Vous faites un boulot merveilleux. Depuis hier, c'est absolument génial. On n'a pas loupé un seul truc et ça va continuer comme ça. Merci à tous.
Super, merci beaucoup.
Bon, évidemment, mais c'est notre fonction aussi, c'est notre responsabilité que l'événement se déroule bien. Mais je suis très très content de ce qui se passe. Je suis très très content d'avoir toute cette communauté autour de nous, de vous avoir vous, je vous le dis quand même, tous les volontaires, parce que sans vous finalement, sans la communauté Polkadot francophonie, cet événement ne fonctionnerait pas comme il fonctionne déjà depuis hier. Donc c'est tout simplement parfait, mais ce n'est qu'un début, je le dis aussi.
Bon, c'est super, David, merci beaucoup pour tes petites réponses, et puis on te souhaite encore le meilleur pour la suite de l'événement.
Eh bien merci, on se souhaite le meilleur.